Minister James Marape returned from New York after attending the 88th United Nations General Assembly meeting. One of the agendas that PM Marape spoke about was the climate change, which is affecting the Pacific nations. The discussion and outcomes from the United Nations General Assembly can have a lasting impact on PNG's foreign policy and partnerships. Prime Minister James Marape at the event had the opportunity to highlight key initiatives and challenges facing Papua New Guinea and seek international support to development projects or regional collaborations.
I had a conversation, especially business community in United States were drawn together. I did indicate to the forum in the PNG's segment of meeting that we are focused on business ourselves. We're not focused now on aids and grants anymore. We rather deal with trade than aids and grants.
The Prime Minister stressed that his call on climate change and carbon emissions effect in the Pacific were received well by the UN member countries. Marape urged the G20 nations and global industries with the largest carbon footprints to invest in conservation partnerships with forest-rich nations like Papua New Guinea.
Our strong stance that our forestry and our oceans are a big carbon sink, and those who hold carbon footprints must offset their carbon footprint by assisting us in conservation of our forestry and sustainable management of our ocean resources. At the same time, our call for a reduction of carbon footprint. Science does indicate to us the planet is warming, and very soon we may have reached a tipping scale, and I use the word planet might be boiling.
Overall, Prime Minister Marape clarified that his participation highlights the importance of PNG's voice on the global stage in addressing climate change and other critical issues. Freddie Mo, TV1 News.